Well, let's cut across to our political panelists this evening. Joining me, Locket Chatterjee, State General Secretary, BJP West Bengal. I have Tausifur Rahman, spokesperson, TMC. Saira Shah Halim, she's a CPIM leader. Jayanta Ghoshal, senior journalist. Jayanta, I want to come to you first. Kolkata, understandably, hasn't stopped raging. There's anger, which is still peaking on the streets, which is largely organic. Yes, there is a lot of political mobilization as well. But this is coming in organically from the streets of Kolkata, and it's not ebbing. That's the big point. You've had a Durand Cup match, which was cancelled. There were protests in the stadium. You have Durga Puja around the corner. There are Durga Puja committees who are now refusing to take that 85,000 rupee grant from Mamta Banerjee. Do you see this is a moment of reckoning, possibly a 2011 moment for Mamta Banerjee?
Yeah, I think, Preeti, what you have said, I think it is organic. It is true that the discontent of the Bengal people is very strong. And perhaps this is the first time I am onlooker of this sort of movement. I mean, it's a spontaneous movement. And there is a strong mishandling of Kolkata police also. This is my personal opinion. And like Dr. Kunal Sarkar and the public intellectuals, they have become not only doctors, they have become public intellectuals, social influencers through their own YouTube channel and blogs. I think tactically also, it is not very correct move to bring them into Lal Bazaar, and because there is a knee-jerk reaction. But this is the one side story. As a journalist, I should see the other side. The story is the huge misinformation and the disinformation, and the panic. And we can say that the political in the party system, the opposition always take advantage of this sort of information terror, I can say. And Mamta Banerjee, when she was opposition leader, on several issues, she was also done this sort of agitation against CPM. But the only unfortunate part is that the priority is the punishment of the rapist. What is our priority? To dislodge the Mamta Banerjee government?
Okay.
This is our priority? Or our priority is to punish? Because, governor is in Delhi and BJP can recommend 356. BJP can go and the government can implement 356, showing that there is a major topsy-turvy law and order problem. This is another political side of the story. But I want to give more priority to the punishment of the rapist, and that priority has become an anti-Mamata movement of the political parties, and the other side is the spontaneity of the civil society is absurd. There are two issues.
Jayanta, basically what you're saying is that the lines have seemingly blurred because there is this organic movement, but there is this political mobilization to dethrone Mamta Banerjee, and it's all coming together in a possible perfect storm at the back of this massive tragedy that has occurred in West Bengal. But Tausifur Rahman, I want to bring you in on this. At one end, you have the Kolkata police, who many would say misplaced priorities, summoning up people who've posted a critique of Mamta Banerjee's government on social media. That is one part. Then you yourself, where the government comes into question, facing fire. You've had a football match, the Durand Cup, which was cancelled. You've had protests inside the stadium. Then you have Durga Puja committees who are today refusing to take that grant from your government because they don't trust you anymore. And take all of that away. Look at the parents of this 31-year-old girl. Because now they are saying that possibly there was an attempt to even hurry up the cremation of the 31-year-old young junior doctor who was raped and murdered.
Good evening, Preeti, and good evening to everyone. Preeti, I mean, you started with the word anger, and I believe anger is justified. Anger is there, and it should be there. It should not go. I mean, the anger should be there in the city because it's valid. I mean, whether the protesters sitting outside the hospital, the students, the females, the boys, I mean, they all demands are valid. I mean, and we know we cannot back out. We are there to answer each and everything. But Preeti, at the same time, when you talk about the misinformation, there is the problem. Like when, Jantada was talking about misinformation and fake news. I mean, this is creating a havoc in the city. The opposition can always target the other part of the city. That's okay. The other part of the team, that's okay. But they should always be responsible that if you spread any kind of fake news, this whole thing can create into a massacre. This is what we see on the 14th night. I mean, the police was there to help all the commoners. I mean, lakhs and lakhs were there out in the city to protest, and the Kolkata police was there to help them. But suddenly, there was 25 to 30 people emerged as a goon inside the RGK hospital and vandalized the property. I mean, this is what we are talking about, Preeti. I mean, you are not talking about the security labs, but I will say that, of course, the third floor was not having a CCTV, it's a security lapse. I mean, it shouldn't be there. I don't want to compare my hospital, my city hospital with Safdarganj, AIIMS, Patna, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, because that will be a whataboutery. If something was not there, it was not there.
Okay,
it's a big fault.
Mr. Rahman, as I bring in the BJP spokesperson, as I bring in Lokit Chatterjee and also Shaira Shalim, I want to ask you one more quick question again, and
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
reiterate. The family of the young doctor has now made a very, very strong and damning allegation where they are saying that there seemed to be a hurry to cremate the remains of their young daughter.
Ma'am, I don't agree totally with them, but I have full respect because their points are also valid as well. But, at the same time, when you talk about the cremation, which went into an immediate action, hari kari, but they never said about this on that particular day. I mean, this happened. I'm not saying, I'm not denying it. But at the same time, ma'am, if you could have heard the parents today, they were saying that we have full faith in the government, we have full faith in the administration, and I believe the CM will do their job, the administration will
But
stand
they're
with
also
us.
saying that there was an attempt to hurry the cremation, Tausifur Rahman, and that's a big question mark, and that question needs to be asked, sir.
Ma'am, it's a big sensitive thing. It's a quite sensitive thing, and I don't think so I have any valid answer for this because it's quite sensitive. We know few parts.
But you need to have answers. That's
what
the
happened
problem.
inside the cremation.
Well, you need to have answers. That's the problem. Lokit Chatterjee, to bring you in, you're the State General Secretary, BJP West Bengal. And Lokit Chatterjee, you're also one of those who have been summoned by the Kolkata police. Number one, ma'am, I'm sure you realize you're in a position of power, that spreading misinformation at a time like this can be damning, especially coming from people in positions of power like you. And you have been today accused of sharing which is not allowed to be done, the face of the girl and revealing her identity on social media.
Good evening. It's a very sensitive issue. और अभी मैंने जितना मतलब बहुत सारा लोगों के साथ जो भी डिबेट चल रहा है, लेकिन उन लोगों का वॉइस बहुत सिमिलर है. We want justice. The failure of the Trinamool government, failure of Kolkata police, failure of Kolkata Bengal administration. तो इसमें हम लोग चाहते हैं कि इसमें राजनीति नहीं होना चाहिए, लेकिन बार बार हम लोग यही देख रहे हैं कि ये लोग ये इशू को थोड़ा सा पॉलिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं. पहले तो ये क्वेश्चन है पेरेंट्स के तरफ से, उसका मम्मी पापा के तरफ से, कि क्रिमेशन के दिन इन्होंने इतना जल्दबाजी क्यों किया था. इसका कोई आंसर नहीं है. इन लोगों का आंसर एक ही तरफ से है. और सेकंड है, 3 घंटा से अपेक्षा करने के बाद भी इसको बेटी को नहीं देखने दिया. वाई? और उस टाइम जब उनका डेथ का खबर हुआ था, उसमें फोन करके उन लोगों को बोला था इट्स ए सुसाइड केस और इज ए अननेचुरल डेथ. तो ये सब जो प्रश्न आते हैं ये कोलकाता पुलिस के तरफ से ही आए थे. तो इसके ऊपर अगर कोई सोशल मीडिया में पूरा कोलकाता शहर में, पूरा बंगाल में, पूरा देश में जो आंदोलन, जो भी आवाज उठ रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर सोशल मीडिया में बहुत सारा लोग लिख रहे हैं. हम लोग के भी डॉक्टर कुणाल शॉरकर को और एक डॉक्टर को ये समन मिला है, मुझे भी मिला है. मुझे एक ही बात लगता है कि कोलकाता पुलिस ने सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर आंख लगा के बैठे हैं, लेकिन अगर कोलकाता पुलिस थोड़ा सा इसको लेकर, ये डेथ को लेकर, ये मर्डर को लेकर अगर थोड़ा सा प्रायोरिटी दे देते तो अभी तक इसका जो दोषी है ये सामने आ जाते। लेकिन ये लोग पूरा इशू को दबाने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि इनका जो ममता बनर्जी, इनका जो गार्जियन है, वो भी इशू को दबाने के लिए रास्ता के ऊपर आ गया है। आप बोलिए, ये तो मतलब कभी भी हम लोग देश में नहीं देखा, एक सरकार खुद के सरकार के विरोध में रास्ते के ऊपर आ गया है और कोई दूसरा लोग आ जाते हैं, कोई डॉक्टर्स लोग आ गया है। आज डॉक्टर कुणाल शर्कर और बहुत सारा डॉक्टर्स ने गया था, तो उनके लिए 144 लगा देते हैं। क्या ये पॉलिटिकल इशू तो नहीं है? लेकिन ये सरकार चाहते हैं कि इसको पॉलिटिकल इशू बनाओ। ये सरकार स्टेज के मंच के ऊपर बैठ के बोलते हैं कि ये सीपीएम बीजेपी का ये राम बाम का खेल है, उस दिन जो आरजीकर में जो तोड़फोड़ हुआ है। तो आप बता दीजिए, ये पहले ठीक करे, इसको पॉलिटिकल इशू बनाएंगे जी, इसको क्या नेचुरल, इसको पूरा देश में हुआ था उसका इशू बनाएंगे।
बट लॉकेट जी देखिए, आपने जो सवाल अभी उठाए हैं बिल्कुल सही है कि जो उनके पेरेंट्स ने सवाल उठाए हैं उनको आंसर्स मिलने चाहिए, क्रिमेशन पे मिलने चाहिए, बाकी जो और सवालें होने चाहिए। पर इसमें आपने फिर एक बात कही है जो मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन कहलाई जाएगी, क्योंकि कोलकाता पुलिस ने ये नहीं कहा था सुसाइड है, ये उनको बताया गया था, ये पेरेंट्स ने ही बोला है लॉकेट जी, उनको ये बताया गया था कि ये बात जो स्टाफ था हॉस्पिटल का, कॉलेज का, वो पहला इंफॉर्मेशन किसी ने उनको दिया था कि सुसाइड है, ये कोलकाता पुलिस ने नहीं बोला था। और लॉकेट जी,
कोलकाता
नहीं, ये कोलकाता पुलिस को अभी तक पता नहीं है कि
फोन कौन किया था। कोलकाता पुलिस को अभी तक पता नहीं है कि पेरेंट्स लोगों को कौन किया था फोन। ये तो 10 मिनट का काम है कोलकाता पुलिस का। अगर कोई सोशल मीडिया में लिखते हैं तो तुरंत समन भेज देते हैं।
एक सेकंड रॉकेट जी, ये एडिशनल सुपरिटेंडेंट जो थे वहां,
the call was done by additional superintendent. This is what the statement came from the parents.
जी चलिए, तो ये जो इसमें जो एक्चुअल फैक्ट है वो हॉस्पिटल और कॉलेज ने किया था, और वो भी बहुत गलत बात है, वो इन्वेस्टिगेट होना चाहिए।
Absolutely.
पर लॉकेट जी, मैं आपसे दूसरा सवाल पूछूंगी, क्योंकि इसमें पॉलिटिक्स क्यों नहीं होनी चाहिए, और जो आप लोग कर रहे हो मे बी ठीक ही कर रहे हो, क्योंकि अगर आप ये नहीं करोगे, सवाल नहीं उठाओगे तो कौन उठाएगा। पर गलत चीजें स्प्रेड करना लॉकेट जी, जो आपको चार्ज दिया गया है कि आपको समन किया गया है कि आपने इस महिला के जो 31 ईयर ओल्ड जूनियर डॉक्टर है उसका फोटो, उसका आइडेंटिटी सोशल मीडिया पे रिवील किया, ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट के तहत एक कानूनी जुर्म है लॉकेट जी।
अभी तक मैंने कोई भी फोटो सोशल मीडिया में नहीं दिया। अभी तक मैंने लाल बाजार पुलिस स्टेशन में नहीं गया। किस कारण के लिए मुझे समन भेजा गया है अभी तक मुझे पता नहीं है। जब कोलकाता पुलिस के लाल बाजार में जाएंगे तब मुझे पता चलेगा किस कारण से हमको समन भेजा गया है, क्योंकि जो नोटिस है उसमें साइबर क्राइम का बात किया है, लेकिन किस लिए किया है ये अभी तक उन्होंने लिखा नहीं, स्पष्ट नहीं किया है।
30 seconds.
लेकिन जी मुझे यही बात का अफसोस है, कोलकाता पुलिस ने जैसे प्रायोरिटी के तरफ से इतना लाख करोड़ों महिला लोग फोटो दिया, अब तृणमूल का सांसद ने भी, तृणमूल का 2-3 सांसद ने भी पीछे में नाम देकर धरना आंदोलन में बैठे हुए हैं। तृणमूल का सांसद ने एक बाइट में 10 बार वो महिला को नाम लिया है, लेकिन अभी तक उनको कोई भी समन जारी नहीं किया है। सिर्फ विरोधी लोग, विरोधी कंठ को समन भेज रहे हैं ये लोग। आप बोलिए इसमें क्या है? अगर कोलकाता पुलिस ठीक ठाक न्यूट्रली करते तो तृणमूल सांसद को भी समन भेज सकते थे,
पर भेजा है राज्यसभा, जो राज्यसभा के उनके एमपी हैं उनको भी समन आया है,
क्योंकि उन्होंने तृणमूल के विरोध में बोला है। ये इशू के जो इशू हुआ है उसके लिए बोले हैं, लेकिन उनके पास समन आया दूसरा।
चलिए, आपका एक पॉइंट तय है
कि बोले हैं
एक सेलेक्टिव टारगेटिंग है क्या ये कोलकाता पुलिस से, नंबर 1, और इस वक्त शुडंट दे बी फोकसिंग ऑन अदर थिंग्स? दैट्स द अदर क्वेश्चन. Just stay on with us, Loket Chatterjee. Mr. Rahman, you wanted to come in for a rebuttal, then I'll go to Saira Shahli.
मैम, अ क्विक रिस्पॉन्स, आई अंडरस्टैंड। लोकेट जी, अभी आप कह रहे थे कि मैंने ऐसा क्या किया। आप कल मेरे साथ डिबेट में थे और आपने कल कहा था कि आरजी कार में सेक्स रैकेट चल रहा है, ऑर्गन रैकेट चल रहा है। ये सबसे बड़ा मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन आप दे रहे थे। यू डू अंडरस्टैंड लोकेट जी, इफ यू स्प्रेड लॉकेट जी, 1 second.
मैं
I really
फिर भी
respect
बोल रही हूँ,
your
आर्टिकल
sincerity.
में बहुत सारा कुछ चलते हैं, सिर्फ
All right,
आर्टिकल
ma'am,
में
that's a
you are
matter
allowed
of
to vote
investigation.
not
Let's not give out facts which can, take a life of its own, especially in the times that we live in.
You
That's
can
a matter
create a
of
massacre
investigation.
inside the city.
I want to go to Saira Shah Halim, CPIM leader as well as a women rights activist. But Saira Shah Halim, the charge right now is that along with a very organic protest, there is an opportunity sensed by the left and the BJP, and now there is political mobilization to dethrone Mamata Banerjee, taking advantage of what is already a protest which is rising from the streets.
Okay, so first, good evening. I'd like to make one thing very clear. There is no political mobilization. I can speak, from the left viewpoint or the Congress. I don't know about the Bharatiya Janata Party. Again, the people agitating on the road are women. It's a very spontaneous moment. The people agitating are students, they are doctors, they are nurses. It's civil society. Now, why are people getting more and more angry is because there's been, a thwarted effort from Mamata Banerjee's government side to see that this peaceful protest, this peaceful movement is squashed in the bud. Why? Because now doctors are being summoned. I don't have any, I'm not protesting if political people are being summoned. However, now, eminent people like Dr. Kunal Sarkar or Dr. Ghosh and other people have been summoned, which is really, really worrisome. Because here, instead of taking accountability of what is happening, instead of taking ownership, Mamata Banerjee and the government, what they're trying to do, they're trying to stifle a women's movement because we are simply to make safer spaces for women. We are also asking for the Central Protection Act to protect the doctors of not only Kolkata, to protect the doctors of India. So if such a movement is going to get derailed by, it's been alleged that, they were goons, at RG Kar who were trying to stifle this very, very pertinent movement, then people are going to get angrier. That is all I want to say. Here, you need to see that there have been very, very misogynistic and lopsided statements made by the sitting MPs of TMC. Mr. Arup Chakrabarti, what does he say? You can go home or go out with your boyfriend, but if a patient dies, we won't save you. So this is an open threat to the silent protesters. Now, again, I want to question the TMC spokesperson on this panel today, that all the women parliamentarians who are so vociferous, who are so vocal, why are they absconding when this unfortunate, very tragic, very horrific incident took place? Why couldn't they voice their concerns and say that no, I'm not
Saira
speaking
Shah
as a
Halim, we are having
political
a massive problem with your audio. We are going to try and correct it. But Tausifur Rahman, there was a question that was posed by Saira Shah Halim. Would you care to answer that?
Ma'am, can you just repeat the question? Actually,
She's saying what she said was that when this crime occurred, there was a sense of being back-footed by the TMC, and especially the women MPs who've usually been very vocal were very slow to come out and speak and not as vocal as they would have been otherwise. That's the charge.
I mean, ma'am, I do respect what Saira is saying. I mean, she's angry as well. And I see all the women in the city, they all are angry, and I have to respect that. But at the same time, Mahua Moitra came out. I mean, Shiny Ghosh was there. Each and every, if you see their tweet, they all are there. I mean, you just cannot sit in a TV and AC room and just comment on that. Ma'am, but the main problem, I mean, from day one, we have been asked, we have done nothing. And that's not true, ma'am. The misinformation thing is the biggest problem which is happening in the city right now. I mean, Locket Chatterjee, you have all the right to attack the opposition. You can abuse the Trinamool Congress. You can abuse the administration. You can abuse the Kolkata police. You can abuse MP, MLA, us, whatsoever. But please, you have to understand, Locketji, you were talking about post-mortem reports. Your people said that it never happened in front of the parents. I mean, inquest, during the post-mortem, the family and the judiciary magistrate was available out there. It happened in front of their eyes. I mean, when you said the pelvic girdle was broken, there was no fracture, ma'am. This is what we are scared about, the misinformation.
All right,
you want to protest, it is your right.
But Tausifur Rahman, the fact is, the irony in all of this is that you're saying you're scared. Because let's not get ahead of ourselves. That the people of Kolkata, the many women who've taken to the streets are scared, and they're very scared by the kind of reaction they've got from the TMC. Don't say that, it's all a part of a misinformation campaign. That's incorrect. I can give you 3 pointers right now, Mohammad Tausifir, where you yourself on the show have come out and say you understand and you don't have an answer for that. Why was the principal reinstated to an equally prestigious college? There's a question on that. Why is it that the parents today are still saying that they felt that there was an attempt to hurry the cremation of their young 31-year-old daughter? There are questions where you don't have answers to, sir.
Preeti ji, I've been answering about the principle each and every day on your show and other channels as well. At 9 a.m. when the students demanded that we don't want to see this precisely principle in my institute and RG Kar, we want to remove this principle.
Yeah, only to be reinstated in an equally... No, come on, sir. For someone who has sat over an administrative failure of proportions like this, you reinstate him? Let's not get there. But okay, Lockit Chatterjee, I want to bring you in. आपसे सिर्फ से एक सवाल करूंगी।
तौसीफ जी, मुझे एक बात बताइए, कि संदीप घोष जिन्होंने उन्होंने मीडिया के सामने बोला कि हम रिजाइन दे रहे हैं, उसके 1 घंटे के अंदर उनको नेशनल मेडिकल कॉलेज में उसको अध्यक्ष के रूप से उसको पोस्ट दे दिया गया। इसका कारण क्या है? ये तो सीबीआई ने किया।
रिजाइन की बात नहीं की थी।
उन्होंने रिजाइन की बात किया था। उन्होंने पब्लिक के सामने,
लॉकेट जी, ये सवाल है, पर सवाल ये भी है कि इसके साथ साथ ये सवाल पूछा गया है लॉकेट जी, पर सवाल ये भी है कि इसके साथ साथ एक मैसिव मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन कैंपेन चलाया जा रहा है, जहां पर आप पे चार्ज है कि आप जो चीजें पुख्ता नहीं है, फैक्चुअली इनकरेक्ट हैं, वो आप पब्लिक डोमेन में पुश कर रहे हो कि और एंगर बढ़े।
प्रीति जी, मुझे यही कहना है कि हम लोग वी वांट जस्टिस। इससे हम लोग कोई भी जगह से हम लोग हट रहे हैं। बहुत सारा इश्यूज, पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज, सोशल मीडिया, ये सब आने से हम लोग मेन जो इश्यूज है उससे बाहर जा रहे हैं। हम चाहते हैं क्योंकि तृणमूल जो लोग अभी इसको लेके बात कर रहे हैं, इसका मोटिव है इससे हटके मेन इश्यू से हम लोग हट जाए और जस्टिस के लिए जो भी हमारे लिए जो टाइम हम लोग ले रहे हैं उससे थोड़ा सा
Jayantudha, I'll ask you a final question. No, sir, I'm running out of time. I want to bring in Jayantudha back into this conversation. Final question. Sir, I'm running out of time. You've had allow others. Jayantudha, one final question. Is there a sense now, especially seeing what's taking place on the ground where the TMC is concerned, what's happening at the back end? Is there a sense that they've mishandled the situation? Is there any feedback that Mamata Banerjee is getting?
Yeah, I think mishandling was there. Over complacency is always bad for governance. And this sort of incident, if you compare what happened in the CPM era, what happened in Bantala or Tapsi Malik, I think this is the time to introspect what is your fault lines in the governance. It is first priority should be punish the rapist, and second priority should be to correct the fault lines in your governance.
And you're saying there is an attempt to address it, Jayantudha?
Yeah. Because better late than never. Because, for a political party, for Lockit Chatterjee, it is very important. She's a very prominent BJP leader in West Bengal. She should use that opportunity. I don't mind. But, just as a citizen of, this country, and especially I'm from Bengal, I think there should be a consensus approach also to resolve this sort of misgovernment.
Let's just hope there's also... Right. I'm running out of time.
There is no election.
There is no election in the next 2 years. But this is a time of deep introspection, especially for the TMC. And where the people are concerned, well, it seems that they're finally faced with the realities of party governance. We're going to leave it at that. But let's quickly appreciate all our guests for joining us.